Oh, hello there. Welcome to Stoke Eats. We're going to teach you how to cook in the kitchen party. My name is Jake. I'm the head chef here at Stoke Eats. Welcome to the first ever cooking demonstration. We are going to be doing a paella for you. I picked it up a little bit and put my own twist on it. Chicken, ribs, chorizo, beans, fucking sick. So let's chuck that in there. So chicken wings in. Drink break. Onions and garlic in. Pepper. And the mysterious paella mix. All right, so what I've got here is just some liquid chicken stock. Much better than that powdered shit you get back home. We're just gonna put our rice in. We're gonna let it soak up all this beautiful stock. We're gonna throw in our beans, roasted capsicums, top her up with some water. Okay, so this has been sitting nicely while I've been drinking our wine. Finish it with a bit of lemon. Ladies.
Oh. Amazing.